Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you that how can you set up your website for e-commerce purpose.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So first of all, you can open your browser, and in the browser you can add the domain which you have installed on a website. For example, my domain is this, and after your domain you have to add a slash and wp admin and click enter button. Here you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard page. In this dashboard, we will click on pages button. Here on the page button, we will click on home page and click on edit button. Now on the home page button, we can edit our home page just like changing this title, this welcome text like winter collection, changing this text also. You can also change this text also, or you can remove this by clicking on remove block button. And now we can also change this image from here. You can add your own image or keep this if you like it. You can add your own image by clicking on this button and selecting the media. From documents, and you can add a media here. We will see in the later videos how to add an media to this, or you can just add a featured image here. Image is recommended so that your customers can see what they are seeing and what can be done with this page. You can also add a featured image by clicking here and going to your media library. We can create that featured image from here, and it is our image. It will be added to your website when a visitor will visit this. Now we can also add this shop by category with anything like shop by collection. You can also edit everything on this page. Add to cart button, images, new in, we comment, fan favorites, everything. You can also remove this fan favorites block, or you can just add them, and you can click on update button. Now our page is updated. We can click on view page button to view our page. Here we can see our home page, which we have applied a featured image, winter collection text, show by category, products like accessories and everything. So we will return to our page where we are editing, and we will change this text, welcome text, because it is white in color and we are unable to see this on our page. So we will color this with pink color, and we will just click on update button, and here our page will be updated successfully. You can also view our page by going to our website. Here you can see the winter collection button is now in pink color. So we have successfully customized our home page. Now in the later videos, we will add more plugins and customize our whole website and blog with WordPress. Thanks for watching this video.